they say the cabinet consists of the president and the cabinet ministers and attorney general and others. But this nominee was given the position of prime cabinet minister. And in that, it means that he is the most senior cabinet minister than other cabinet ministers. But when I looked at the executive order that was released by the president, Mr. Chair, one of the functions that was given to this office is to chair, number 4, is to chair the principal secretaries committees and supervise the technical monitoring and monitoring evaluation of government policies programs. Now, this is a senior minister. They are cabinet ministers. They are principal secretaries in every cabinet ministry, under every cabinet minister, who report to their ministers. So I'm wondering, how should a senior cabinet minister chair principal secretaries when you know that there is head of public service also who coordinates principal secretaries? So I'm wondering, the cabinet prime minister is dealing with cabinet principal secretaries who have ministers in their line of duty. But more importantly, Chair, I also want the nominee to take this opportunity to slay it and lay to rest the issue of the golden bag. The golden bag issue, and this other issue of the cemetery land. And having been a mayor of a city one time, under the previous Cap 265, the previous Act of Parliament.
Which city?
Where you visited me one time. We couldn't find a proper hotel
in Kenya.
I couldn't find a proper hotel for you, but you visited the city with one street. So, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chair, that cap required the approval of the cabinet minister for the county councils and municipalities for functions that they were supposed to do, including approving their budgets. So I want him to take this opportunity today to lay this matter to rest once and for all. And lastly, I wanted to ask the nominee whether he's happy with his office at Kenya Railways,
Junet.
whether that office is suitable for a prime cabinet minister.
Ishimbogo.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, before I ask